All right, I'm really excited to do this video today. I saw this and I thought, you know what? I am going to try this. It's going to be Mother's Day, and I'm doing this basically for myself for Mother's Day. One, to see if I can do it, and then two, just because I wanted something cool, something sweet, and something that I made, something that comes from the heart. So, even though I'm making it for myself. Anyhow, what I discovered or found was I saw a video of a lady that I love watching, and I think her name is the Icing Artist. I love watching her. Definitely, I think she already bakes and has her own business and whatever. But I love watching her make her cakes, and and I'm not a professional and I don't make cakes all the time or anything like that. So just to let you know ahead of time, I'm not a professional. Put that disclaimer out there. And I'm not claiming to be a baking professional or anything like that. I'm just a home cook who wanted to try this and see, can I do it and what it comes out to look like. So I'm gonna do the best I can. But basically, so what you do is you get ice cream, a bunch of different flavors that you like, and you turn it into cake. And how you do that is this. All right, so basically, and sorry that you guys are not going to see my face. There we go. So I chose 4 different ones. It's not going to be that big of a cake because I'm only choosing that much. But anyhow, so basically you just take your ice cream, and for every cup of ice cream, you have supposed to add, it's supposed to be a half a cup of flour. So I'm going to pour this in here and see how much ice cream I have. So a half a cup of flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder, which we have. So here we go. Okay, that's 1 cup there. Okay, so that's my sea salt caramel. I'm going to do the birthday cake with the sea salt caramel one. All right, there we go. Not the same. So, and it has a little bit of something in it. I don't know. Maybe it was like the sprinkles or something. Okay, so that's 2 cups there. Basically, each pint is like a cup or something like that. So, all right. So now let me add my flour. Okay, so there's 2 cups. So 1 cup of flour. Not quite. And then it should bake. As long as I add that. There we go. All right. Now let me add mine. And that is it here. So I have my my 2 cups of ice cream, 1 cup of flour, because I have 2 cups of ice cream. I'm about to add my baking powder. Baking powder is next. All right, so then I'm going to add my baking powder. And again, it should be 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So this is my teaspoons. All right, 2. I'm going to mix this together. Should have done this in my mixer. I'm doing this by hand. So, I chose to do this by hand. I should have done this in my mixer. I don't know what I was thinking. But but you know, I guess I was just kind of following what she did in her video. Granted, I know that she's a professional and I probably should know better and be like, okay, you know what? She's the professional. She makes tons of cakes all the time. And here I am trying to duplicate this. And yeah, I totally should have used my mixer. So, anyway, I'm going to mix this really good and go on and do each different one. So, it'll be good. It will be good. I usually make stuff that's good. So, all right, so I've already made one of the layers, what will be one of the layers of the cake. So I'm working on my layer number 2, and that's going to be the next one's going to be my cookie dough, and that layer, which also has the snickerdoodle. So I am worried about how I think this is going to turn out, being that, you know, I'm not a professional chef. I'm just a home baker, hoping that this turns out well. And yeah, it's definitely one of those challenges. We'll see. So, all right, here we go. So I'm going to get my ice cream, and you have to let them sit out, of course, and, you know, make sure that they're not frozen when you do this. So that's what we've done. And we're just pouring it in there. And what I found is that basically a pint is about a cup. So I'm not really going to measure it too much because I've already measured the other ones, and that's exactly about how much it is. So, all right, so we'll scoop the rest of this out. And we're going to say that's about a cup. This one's not any bigger than that one. All right, there we go. It's melted. Let me get my snickerdoodle on. And that means I need a cup of flour. So, move that out of the way. Half a cup of flour, and then a whole cup for, that's going to be 2 cups. So, yeah, it's like a cup and a half. Come on. And of course she makes it so super easy when she does it. And I'm like, yeah, okay. I already knew that there was going to be challenges when I do it. So, yeah, but that's okay. That's the fun and me doing it and trying to recreate what she did. So, okay. Yeah, because I'm not a professional chef. Have I said that before? Okay, I'm going to say it again. All right, here we go. So this is my snickerdoodle one. Ooh. Mama. Yes, Mama. Ew. It looks all yucky. But you get it all out. Make sure I have it all in there. I don't want the base of my cake to be less than what I think it's supposed to be. So let me get it all out. Oh, it smells good. It smells like snickerdoodle. Man, I love snickerdoodle cookies, snickerdoodle. You name it, you had me at snickerdoodle. You gonna send me something? Send me some snickerdoodle cookies. I love that. All right, there you go. Or make me something and it be snickerdoodle. Snickerdoodle cookie, snickerdoodle cake. I love it. Okay, so here's my flour. This is 1 cup of flour. And then I wasn't sure if she meant 2 teaspoons of baking powder per the 1 cup. So I added 1, 2. I added 4 to the other one. I'm going to add 4 to this one. Okay. And 4. Have a little bit missing. Okay, 4. There we go. All right. Then we're going to mix this up. Here we go. Very carefully because it's very full. So, and you can see what I'm doing. So, and of course, with the television magic, we are going to show you what the end result will be. All right, so I am done mixing everything and I will show you what it looks like. Yes. Let me see. Perfect. Had to take a cooking break to give my baby some juice, or you would have heard her, or you're going to continue to hear her calling me, Mama, I need this. This is definitely a mom's cooking show right here. So, all right. So now that I'm done mixing it, I will show you what it looks like. Here we go. And there we go. Ready to go in the oven. All right, in the oven we go, 350 degrees. All right, here we go. I'm gonna say 30 minutes or so, 30 to 45 minutes, it just depends. But I have to check on that. So in the oven they go. Oven's ready. All right. All right, we'll see. We'll see how they are. We shall be back. All right, so the cakes are in the oven. I have it set to 350 degrees, probably about 30 minutes or so. I just eyeball it, guys. You can look that one up on Google on the internet, but I just eyeball it. I don't remember how long she said she cooked it for, 30 to 45 minutes or something. But anywho, I'm just going by what I usually would do, or just kind of eyeball it and see if the cake looks ready. Do the little toothpick thing and take it out, you know. When I see that it starts to look golden brown, I want to make sure I want to take it out. I don't want my cake to be dry. It's just a cake for me. So, and I'm not going to be doing my own buttercream. I went to the grocery store and I hear them saying her saying that, you know, they get buttercream from the grocery store when she does her $20 cakes. So that's exactly what I did. I went to the grocery store and here we go. Purchase this right here, lovely thing, $3. So it's ready to go. I don't have to do buttercream. $3 from the grocery store and it's already done for me. So as soon as it comes out and I want to do all the layering and buttercream and so forth, I don't have to worry about that part of it. I'm still trying to decide what kind of theme that I want the cake to be. It's for Mother's Day. It's for me for Mother's Day. And I do have some pretty little flowers that I want to be able to add to it. But other than that, color-wise, I'm not sure if I want color or want it to be white or I'll have to think about it. So while my cakes are in the oven, I will think about it. All right, there we go. Here is cake number 1. And I've already got my frosting thing there, my frosting. And there's cake number 2. So as you can see, they look like a cake. They're solid, they're solidified, small, but you know, I knew it was gonna be kind of small. So next process is frosting. All right, the cakes are done. Let me show you what they look like. And this is coming out of the oven. All right, so here is the finished product. I didn't film me actually doing all the buttercream and everything, but here it is. Here's my little cake. All right, so there you have it. I do like this ice cream cake. I think overall it was a success. I would have liked it to look a little bit more professional, but you know, I'm not a professional. So until I get to that level, then, you know. But I did my best. It didn't turn out bad. It looks good. It tastes good. It tastes really good, actually. It was super easy to make. So there you have it. I tried it. I did it. Achieved it. Yay. Video done.